Okay, today we are going to see the topic about access modifiers. Generally, what is access modifier means? It's a keyword that controls the visibility and accessibility of the classes, fields, and methods within the Java program, right? Okay, in this case, how it helps to secure the data in the program means it helps to manage how data and methods are accessed and modified, leading to more secure and maintainable code. This is access modifiers. There are 4 types of access modifiers. Can you please explain the types of some access modifiers?
Public, private, protected, and access.
Default. Okay. Then what is public?
There are many packages in Java. If we have to access the variables from one package to another package, we can use public access.
Okay. What is private? Can you explain?
We can access only particular name or variable. For this, we have to use the private.
Okay. Then what is protected?
It is accessible within the same package and also in different package.
Okay. What is default?
We not set the public, private or protected. It's defaultly go to the default. I can use it in another package.
Okay. Okay. In this case, we are going to discuss the sample program in public and private. So there are 2 functions we are using in private. Why we are using private access modifier? One is setter function and another one is getter function. And can you please explain anyone about the setter function in sample program?
We define the class in setter function as usual. Then we are defining the name and it's a string, so we are declaring string and integer. Next, we are using a display function for displaying the name and the roll number. Next, we are giving set values. Here we can access only within the same class. If we have to access in another class, we have to use the setter function. In setter function, I am giving the string name as another variable name and roll number as number. Next, I am passing the arguments string and num to the variables so that I can use in the another class. Here the another class is another object is code.io in same class application form. I pass the argument set values here. So can I assign the values for code.io and I am displaying. And I am creating another object inside the same class application form viewer. Here I am assigning another name and roll number. By calling the display function, it will display the values.
So now anyone can explain about the getter function?
The getter function, we define the class from application form. The string, giving the name as a string and roll number as a string. In the method, we define displays a name and roll number, and we use the setter function in the getter function. Set values giving name equal to str.
And also, giving
And
the
roll number
as
is
num, it will be assigned the value of name and roll number as
str
str
and num.
Yes.
And get name, we define get name and get roll number. In get name, returning the name, it returns the name and roll number. In the main class and another class, defining main class, we giving 2 objects. The name code.io using the new keyword. Code.io object is created. Code.io dot set values we can use the passing the arguments by code.io and 71 as a roll number and display function. And we use the another object is viewer. Same like code.io, we can pass the arguments viewer and 712 as a roll number.
Okay.
And system.out.println, we can line by line give the output of the separate code IO name, first object's name. First, using the get name function, we can
Get the
access the name value and print it. Same name function, code roll number, your name, your roll number. Thank you.
So now I will be concluding the access modifiers. So we will be using access modifiers in the real life. For example, when we are using it in the banking system, we will be setting it in under public, private and protected. So we will be setting the most confidential information like the bank balance and then other passwords in the protected access modifier, and we will be storing our name and other personal details in the private access modifier, and we will be setting the account number and the basics information in the public access modifiers. So we will be using access